Welcome back to my channel. You are through to Luomo Eats. In this video, we are doing a part 2 of Grenada, showing you sightseeing, the fantastic touristic places. It's not everyday diarrhea in that carnival. So I will be showing you the beautiful things to do in Grenada, my homeland, the Isle of Spice, food tours, boat trips to connecting beach islands, zoos, waterfalls, fishing, all that Grenadian food goodness. In this video, I will be cooking fried bakes with different toppings that is suitable for vegetarians. We have soybean protein nutmeg barbecue chicken, and we also have soybean protein Cajun chicken. So make sure you watch this video until the end. You do not want to miss out on this recipe. If you want to skip and go straight into the cooking, then I will leave the timestamp in the description box below, and it will be pinned in the comment section. All you need to do is click on the time and it will take you straight there. Let us get to the intro. Oh yeah, music, intro, hit it. Grenada, the Isle of Spice, is such a beautiful Caribbean island. There is so much to do in Grenada. We have the Isle of Spice tour. You also have beautiful hills for calm and relaxing walks, hiking. If you are a big fan of fishing, then you should definitely visit the local fishing areas. Very calm and relaxing. Or if you want to show off, you are celebrating something, then you can go to one of the connecting islands by boat. One of the beaches that you definitely must visit is Sandy Island, and this island has a sensational, beautiful view. This is perfect for couples, families, friends. One of my favorite waterfalls in Grenada has to be Annandale Waterfall, and this is just divine. Such a breathtaking experience, and if you are lucky, you're gonna have one of the locals give you a show. So bring on your children, bring your friends, bring your loved one, bring your partner, and enjoy the scenery, the beauty of Grenada. Now let us move on to my cooking video. This is my fried bakes with vegan friendly toppings. For more holiday food and cooking videos, subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell to keep updated on my next videos. Keep yourself updated on my social media pages. Come on, join the family. Let's get cooking. Let's get straight into it. Making the bakes. 150 grams of bread flour and 150 grams of self-raising flour. A teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of sugar. Now we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 150 milliliters of warm water. Mix all your ingredients together in the bowl, and this will create a soft dough. If the dough is sticky and still wet, then you can add a little bit of flour. If your dough is dry, add a little bit of warm water. And this is how your dough should be. Not too dry, not too wet, nice and soft and bouncy. Ready to rest for 45 minutes. Now we are going to bake our soybean protein chicken pieces. We are going to divide into 2. One for our Cajun soybean chicken and the next for our soybean nutmeg BBQ The soybean chicken pieces for our nutmeg barbecue sauce we're going to put aside. And the other half of the soybean protein, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Cajun spice, mix and add some salt and pepper. Place on a baking tray to bake for 20 minutes on 180 degrees or gas mark 5. Now we are going to make the Cajun stir-fried chicken. Half a cup of oil, add your yellow peppers, let it saute for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our Cajun chicken. Lovely. Just look at that. Very easy. Your Cajun soya chicken, suitable for vegetarians. This is the one. So when your Cajun soya chicken has been stir-fried and taken off the heat, you can now place it in your serving bowl. Now we are going to make our nutmeg barbecue sauce. But first what we're going to do is saute our green peppers. So 2 tablespoons of oil. You don't want too much oil. In goes your green peppers. So let it sizzle until it's nicely golden, nicely sauteed. 3 minutes. Now we're going to add our soya chicken. Nicely sauteed. 3 minutes. Now we are going to make our nutmeg barbecue sauce. You can just use a normal barbecue sauce. I have here a vegan friendly barbecue sauce, half a cup. I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, tablespoon of honey. This is pure Grenadian honey, but you can use any honey. And then we're gonna add some chili flakes. Give it a good mix. I'm just gonna stir it. Yep, there we go. This is what we have. So there we have our smoky nutmeg barbecue soy chicken. Beautiful green peppers to give it that extra sweetness. Now that we have the dough for our bakes rested, divide the dough into balls. Now what we're going to do is knead each ball like so. Roll out our bakes. Make sure that you flour your rolling pin. Get a good amount of oil in a pan ready for frying your bakes. Now we're going to carefully place the bakes inside hot oil, and it takes about 2 minutes to fry on each side, and make sure that you separate. Now your bakes are golden brown and ready to be taken out and served. Look at it. This is beautiful. Nice golden color. Perfect. And there we have it. Our Grenadian fried bakes. This is something that you definitely must try. A perfect recipe. Now we're going to add all the toppings onto our fried bakes. Stick around. Until next time. Goodbye, my friends.